INTZ Stock Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Let's talk about intrusion stock. Generally speaking, I'm open-minded to the bullish idea, but it's not necessarily going to be an immediate buy. I mean, I'm sticking to something that I've tested for 4 years, refined it 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses, mentors, giving me thousands of repetitions, and made 35,000 videos. Now, with INTZ, purely following this bullish range is enough, and I'm seeing it from right here. I mean, the price came in, tapped it, and then went up. She gave me the first break. If I see the second break here, after that, it's game on for me. Like, it's game on. And what I'm not gonna do is just randomly start buying after it. You know, this second break must happen in order for me to commit and continue. What happens if we break these lows at 163? So be it. You know, this is gonna be deleted in good day. You know, but yeah, as long as it's like moving inside here, it's a no man's land, and where the higher the low is gonna give, one is gonna give. So because we cannot consolidate here forever, but we just have to be patient. That's my 2 cents. It's not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.